I'm gonna show you how easy this juicer is to clean. Take all the parts off. This rinses under a faucet. Whatever little specks might be on here, you just let it drain down the disposal. Let it all go. Now, the cover here, where the food is pushed through, you'll see this coincides with the cutting blades. It's mounted on, it's sealed into this plastic cover. Now, what I do, I just merely take flowing water and I take a brush. If there's any pulp in here or anything like that, I brush it just like I'm doing here, see? Get it all totally clean, okay? The basket, the juice bowl that the juice is going to be conducted out of into your glass after the juice has been made is just like this. So I clean this with my fingers, and just because there's nothing to cut or anything like that, it can't hurt me, you know. Then I don't ever use a cloth because I don't like little pieces of lint that might be in here that the next juice I make is going to extract and put it into my glass, you see. So, and here's a straining basket, and there's the cutting blade. The straining basket, if you have a little veggie brush, you know what I'm talking about, a little teeny brush that you use, you just brush it here. Now, this little one right here could do the job. See, anything that looks something like this. I even like those that have a handle on it and look like a baby toilet brush. You see, they're like this. And then you brush it while you rotate this with one hand with warm water running on it, and you just brush it. Totally clean. So every one of these little slits are open so it doesn't stop the flow of natural juice, okay? That's it. This is cleaned simply. The blade, the cutting blade, when you have little pieces still on there, you just take that brush and just brush it. A few swipes around like that, and it's done perfectly. The juicer parts are dishwasher safe.